Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500 6.7 liter Cummins Turbo diesel, Laramie, top dog. It's got an Icon suspension lift kit on it. Really super nice lift kit. I like them a lot. You know, super clean underneath, no rust, maybe a little bit of surface rust here or there. It's got some 35, 12, 50, 17-inch Nitto ridge grapplers on it. These are a great tire too. Not a lot of road noise, pretty good. I got full turning radius from front to back. And these are a set of Pro Comp wheels, 17-inch Pro Comp wheels. It's got a backer camera, navigation, bone stock exhaust. What else? It has, what can I tell you about it? Nothing really too much beyond that, you know. Super clean truck, really nice. I'm gonna be doing another video of this here soon. I'm actually replacing that passenger side mirror because it's broke. Backer camera, like I said, spray and bed liner, fifth wheel attachment, or fifth wheel setup. Super nice truck. So backup sensors, all that jazz. Back seats are super clean, really nice. You got the storage box here to pack your coolers or whatnot. You can take this crap out, dump out your ice or whatnot. Your beers could go in there, who knows. Super nice, really nice setup in here. Engines, no mods on the engine, bone stock air filter, stuff like that. I'll show you. Sorry for making this video so quick, but I gotta roll. It's about to rain out here soon, so I just want to give you guys the breakdown on it. There's the underside of that side right there, super nice. Here's the underside, here's the front. There it is, look how clean, really nice. Super clean right here, guys. Hood's nice, no dents. There's a few probably paint chips that have been touched up, scratches maybe here or there, some minute problems, if any. Bone stock under here, guys. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna do a better one on this truck here soon, so I can show you, driving, turning, and all that jazz. And that's it. Hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe. Peace out. See ya.